physical source. My name is Keon Hoskin.
My name is Isaiah Ray.
My name is Jerry Ziegler. My name is Michael Noah.
My name is Cole Williams.
I'm Jay Rocker. My name is Ezekiel Fields.
My name is Joe Vidua.
My name is David Nicholas Jr.
My name is James Floyd.
I'm Javon Floyd.
Hi, my name is Antonio Pavia.
Hi, my name is Julian Larry.
Hi, my name is Keon Craddock.
My name is Trey Jones.
Hi, my name is Quentin Parsons.
Hi, my name is Carius Key.
Hi, my name is Cy Thomas. Hi, my name is Darren Ogunasigi.
Hi, my name is Wade Taylor.
My name is Marcus Irvin.
My name is Daria Hinkley.
Hello, my name is Donald Craddock. This is Salik Chavez.
Hey, this is Jordan Berry.
Hi, my name is Howard Turner.
My name is Royce Mendez.
Yes.
You can't do that. You can if you want to, but you make it very difficult for people to want to talk to you, and you want people to talk to you.
Doing all this stuff that is contrary to what this Division I college coach is doing. And anytime a coach gets a good report on you, the first thing he's gonna do is go check your Twitter, social media, whatever you got out there, to judge your character, see what kind of kid you are. Because nobody's going to invest a $140,000 scholarship and a $3 million, $4, $5, $6 million a year salary. Recruiting a kid who is on social media putting all kinds of solutions out. Would you? If you was in that coaching, would you? He's gonna embarrass the program.
Trainer I heard, but not trainer. Give me one other. Not the players. Strength coach. The guy you lift weights with. Because every person in here, anything we do in life, we want to do what? Win. I played my man right there in the three-point shootout. We kept playing because one of us wanted to what? Win. We kept.
Personal brand is everything that is said about you when you're not in the room. What do people say about you? That's who you are. It's not who you say you are, it's who they say you are. Hi, my name is Nina Zavala with the Nina Zavala Drum, and I'm here today invited by the Heads Up Foundation. I'm very, very impressed and love what he's doing for these kids. Very important that they learn their skill sets on the court. I was invited to come out today to speak to the kids about the importance of building their personal brand. This process helps them to identify who they are and tell their story as they're going through their journey in life, and eventually open up doors that can position them for other financial opportunities. As we know, not everybody's going to go pro, but if everybody is a brand, and if you can start identifying who you are and go in a certain direction, then there's no telling what you can possibly do as you go through your journey. And I just want to say thank you guys, and I love what Jabari Johnson is doing with the Heads Up Foundation, and yeah.
To see how quickly you can pick up stuff, how fast you process other options off of that one option we give you. Like we put in, a floppy set or a zipper cut, and y'all like, where they playing it? Well, how do you adjust to when they overplay something? Backdoor cut, you call for your screens, different things like that. But y'all have to learn that from here on out, once you get college, they're gonna say, this is your role. This is what we need you to do. The coach is not gonna say, here, get the ball and forget everybody else. And a lot of y'all, you're really good players, but you don't know how to be a force multiplier as far as making everybody better. You know how to make yourself look good, but you're not a force multiplier. You can't make everybody look good, and that's what a lot of you super talented players gotta learn how to do.
You should give it everything you got. A lot of you guys who are more talented, y'all kind of cheat the game a little bit because y'all don't play both sides. Y'all take off plays. Like the guys who don't take off plays, who constantly locked in, who playing hard, those are the ones coaches want because they can depend on them. Like if I know Donnie, he's gonna play every possession, and there may be another guy who's more talented, who maybe can shoot better, who maybe can handle the ball better, but I know he's not gonna take off any possessions. I'm gonna go with this guy because I can depend on him.